Welcome to Miss Ideal Girl. Today we'll talk about surviving your first big argument as a couple. So don't go anywhere because this will definitely help you out in life. Your first big argument as a couple is not the end of your relationship, but how you both handle it will tell you more about your future together than any good moment ever will. Most couples are shaken by their first real fight because they built the early relationship on good feelings alone. The first conflict is where reality finally walks through the door. The first thing to remember is that the goal of any argument should not be to win. It should be to understand. The moment you are fighting to be right, you have already lost the point. Pay attention to how your partner argues. Do they shut down completely? Do they get loud? Do they say things they do not mean? These are not just reactions. They are patterns you will see again. It is okay to take a break in the middle of a heated moment. Stepping away to calm down is not running from the issue. It is choosing to come back to it with a clear head. Never bring up old issues to win the current argument. The moment you start pulling from the past, you stop solving the present problem and start building a wall instead. Watch out for contempt during a disagreement. Eye-rolling, dismissiveness, and sarcasm are not just bad habits. They are signs of deep disrespect, and they are one of the strongest predictors of a relationship breaking down. After the argument settles, both of you need to actually talk about what happened. Not to reopen the wound, but to understand each other's perspective and make sure you close it properly together. Repair matters more than resolution. Sometimes you will not fully agree, but the willingness to reconnect, to soften, and to say, I still choose you even after this, that is what keeps a relationship intact. A healthy argument ends with both people feeling heard, not just one person surrendering. If you always feel like you have to be the one to back down, that is not compromise, that is suppression. Use this first big argument as a chance to set the tone for how you will handle conflict going forward. The patterns you establish now will follow this relationship for as long as it lasts. A relationship that survives its first real argument and grows from it is one with a real foundation. Conflict handled with respect does not break love. It deepens it when both people are willing to do the work. If you want to watch more videos like this, consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to Miss Ideal Girl for more.